Hey everybody, my name is Clayton Fisher and I'm the head audiologist and founder at Street Hearing. And today I'm here to take you through what to expect as part of our comprehensive hearing assessment. Before you even come into the office, one of the first things we'll do is to send you an online intake form that you can easily fill out at home and submit to us before your appointment. Once your audiologist is ready and you've completed your case history form, they will come out to the waiting room to get you and bring you into the assessment room, at which point you'll sit down and have a discussion about your case history form and anything that might stand out. What we like to do is establish 3 situations that you'd like to improve your hearing in. So the first thing that we're going to do is have a look in your ears with a video otoscope so that we can fully see and get a clear picture of the eardrum itself. Once that's done, what we like to do is change the pressure in the middle ear space and observe how the eardrum moves in response to that pressure change. So what we do at this point, before we put you in the sound booth, is we do an objective assessment of the inner ear. It can tell us before we even put them in the sound booth if their hearing is totally normal or if it may be outside of the normal range. So next is where we put you in the soundproof booth so that we can assess what the softest sounds you can hear are. You're given a button and you need to press that button anytime that you hear a tone. Next up, we want to know what your ability to understand speech is like. The first test that we're going to do is just make the speech nice and loud for you and have you repeat just single syllable words in quiet. Next, what we want to do is test the auditory system a bit more and have you try to repeat sentences amongst other talkers in background noise. So if a person's hearing is within the normal limits on the normal speech audiogram, the standard audiogram, then what we're going to do is get out the big headphones and see what their hearing is like in the ultra high frequency range, which most clinics cannot assess and do not have access to. Once you're out of the soundproof booth and seated in your chair again, we will go over the results with you on the monitor so that you can understand what each of them mean. You will also get a written report emailed to you after your appointment. If your hearing loss can be medically addressed in any way, we will make sure that we make the appropriate recommendation for a referral. If your hearing loss is related to a permanent problem that can't be fixed medically, then we will discuss appropriate treatment plans. What we always like to do is demonstrate the use of hearing instruments in your appointment so that you can understand what it might sound like to hear more of the sounds that you've been missing. Great. So now you can see why we call it a comprehensive hearing assessment. We go above and beyond to ensure that we understand your needs and assess your hearing fully and completely. So we'll see you in the clinic soon.